the Chettinad chicken roll, the true test of whether you belong in Chennai or not. If this one is not good, we are taking him out of Chennai. Okay, you can live in Chennai.
Thank you.
Really nice. Hello, fellow travelers and eaters. Once upon a time, there was a man who thought he was a boy. And the moral of this story is, how can you eat your cake and have it too? He started off wandering through Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Bhubaneswar, Kolkata, Indore, Hyderabad. And wherever he went, he found the little secret on how to make your life better. And the answer to it all was in one word. I backo. And here's how it's done. You take a black currant cake. Personally, I love it. And then you start choosing your toppings. May I please have rainbow buttons, dried Cadbury's, chocolate buttons please, some candied fruit, rainbow sprinkles, some black currant, 3 waffles. And to finish it off, let's put a few squeezes of black currant sauce. Thank you. And that is the way you create your own ice cream cake combination, and then cut yourself a generous slice to begin the party. Oh, how beautiful is that? Look at that. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. One sea salt and caramel pecan, please. And one, this is so hard. Cremino, butterscotch Cremino, please. And one dark chocolate and orange. Sometimes I just want to eat the flavors and not put the toppings. Or should I? Or should I not? Or should I? Or should I not? Or should I? Or should I not? Or should I? Maybe not? Yes? No? Yes? No, 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 no. This is the difficult choice that you will have at all 220 iPacos in 50 cities across India. This is the dark chocolate in orange. Look at those pieces of orange jelly right on top over here. Oh, I love it. Then we come to the next bite. Sea salt and caramel pecan. Oh, yes we can. Delightful. And last but not the least, Cremino sauce on butterscotch with walnuts and chickpea served in a slice. Which brings me back to the question. The only place where you can eat your cake and have it too. I backo. Your ice cream destination. Let's roll. It has a lot of different meanings for a lot of different people. But when you say roll, baby, roll, you double those meanings. So that's a double meaning, in case you haven't got what I'm saying. But roll, baby, roll started off because Gandhar, the owner, decided that people in Chennai now wanted to get something quick, something on the move, something tasty, something they could have easily, something they could sink their teeth into and get those fantastic flavors that they hanker after. You come down here to Roll Baby Roll, and I'm on the C.P. Ramaswamy Road in Chennai, and over here is one of the 15 branches of Roll Baby Roll. And just how big is it, has it been, and how big is it going to get? They'll have 50 branches in the next couple of years, including in Bengaluru and in Hyderabad. So that is the story, the start of Roll Baby Roll. There's a lot more to tell you about, especially the food. So let's get in there, eat something, and let's figure out what this fuss is all about. Everybody wants to roll. Let's roll. And this is young Gandhar, who's the roller. How's it going, Gandhar?
Very good, Rogi. Lovely to have you here.
Thank you, thank you. So tell me, how many kinds of rolls do you have now, and how many did you start with?
So, Rogi, we have 70 variants of rolls.
70?
70.
And when you began, how many did you have?
I think we started with about 20, and slowly we understood what the crowd wants, what the palate is, what Chennai likes, and we expanded our range. So today we have 70 plus variants of rolls.
Well done. And how do you pick these exotic flavors? What have I got over here? I've got...
That's our star seller. That's the egg chicken Calcutta. So
egg chicken Calcutta roll.
Yes,
this one? Sorry.
Call it the Kolkata style. Style.
Calcutta-ish style.
Yes.
Lovely.
This is the peri peri paneer.
Lovely.
This is our classic paneer roll.
Listen, I'm so glad the vegetarian rolls are closer to me. I love vegetarian food.
Yeah.
Most people get me wrong. I'm misunderstood in my time. So, where do you get these flavors from? How do you evolve them?
So we want to be somewhere, close to the classics.
Right.
Because Kani roll has been there for a long time, right? And people love their classic bites like the egg chicken Calcutta you are having, right? With the Kasundi flavor coming straight, taking you back to the streets of Calcutta. But at the same time, we want to be, having something which the Gen Zs like. So we do a Korean flavor roll, we do a peri peri roll, right? We do a pung bao. And so the idea is that there's something for everyone to roll with.
Well, this is fantastic. It's got a bite. It's got the chili, it's got the spice, it's got a very tender chicken. It's got a sweet flavor from somewhere.
The ketchup.
Is it just ketchup? This is sacrilege. You can't tell people that you're putting ketchup in it. But listen, it really goes. I'm surprised it's ketchup. It's so good. The Kolkata rolls, especially in Kolkata, at the original places where you get them, the roti is a little thick. It's a little heavy. It's a little difficult to chew. You soften the roti somehow. You made it a little softer, juicier. And it's a lot easier to eat. So that's a good one. This is the triple egg roll and take a look at that. Oh my God, that's a thick egg over here. So that's 3 eggs.
Yes.
We got lots of onions.
Yes.
And this is your special sauce
Yes.
with the secret ingredient that we won't talk of anymore.
Not all secrets are to be revealed.
Yeah.
So now, when you are in Chennai, you need to do what Chennai loves.
Right.
And Chennai loves its chettinad flavors. So that's a chettinad chicken roll.
That's the one, right?
Yes.
The chettinad chicken roll, the true test of whether you belong in Chennai or not. If this one is not good, we are taking him out of Chennai. Okay, you can live in Chennai.
Thank you.
Really nice.
Thank you so
Now,
much.
and look at the size of that chicken. I mean, that's just one piece of chicken and it's full of that generous toppings here. I think that could be one secret.
Chennai loves its meat.
Absolutely. And what is this now? What have I got?
You're having the chicken egg keema roll.
Wow. And what's the green stuff? Is it capsicum or is it chili?
It's capsicum.
Okay. Chicken egg keema roll, the 6th roll we are biting into. That's my favorite.
Oh, lovely.
Chicken egg keema with those nice crunchy onions, with that little spice, the zing of capsicum, the soft roll around the soft bread that rolls over. That is a really nice roll. I love the fact that you have a masala cola to drink with your rolls. So we're gonna play a game.
Okay.
We'll see how many songs we can sing with the word roll in them. I'll start. Let it roll, baby, roll. Your turn. Rollin', 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 and though the streams are swollen. 2-0.
I'm not the music guy.
Rock and roll is here to stay. It can never die. 3-0.
It may be 3-0 Rocky, but I have 70 rolls.
That's true. Yeah, that's
Let's get rolling.
67-point lead.